In this video, we will compare Evernote, Obsidian, and Notion, 3 top note-taking apps, and which suits you the best at this moment. To answer that question, I'm going to divide this video into a platform overview, pricing and costs, and more. So let's start with a platform overview of Evernote. So Evernote is founded in 2008 in the USA and is a classic note-taking app with sync across devices. And Obsidian is launched in 2020 in the USA and is a local-first markdown-based knowledge management system. Notion is launched in 2016 in the USA and combines notes, tasks, and databases in a flexible workspace. And now let's take a look at the pricing and the costs. So Evernote has a free tier and paid plans are starting at around $9 per month. And what you will get with this is you can create up to 150,000 notes, 2,000 notebooks, unlimited connected devices, and 10 gigabytes of monthly uploads. And when you go to professional or even enterprise, you will get more gigabytes of monthly uploads. So this is actually based on a higher volume. Then a higher plan will be useful. Now let's take a look at Obsidian. And Obsidian has a free core and paid sync are starting at around $4 per month. And then you have the published plan. This is around $8 per month. And with this, you will get sync notes across devices, end-to-end encryption, version history, collaborate on shared files, priority support. And with the published plan, you can publish notes to the web with no technical knowledge required. You get customizable themes, graph and full text search, and priority support. Let's take a look at Notion. So Notion has a free personal plan and paid is starting at around $10 per user per month. And then you also have business and enterprise. So let's take a look at what is in the free plan. So you will have a collaborative workspace, integrate with Slack, GitHub, and more. You will have basic page analytics, 7-day page history. You can invite 10 guests, and you have Notion Mail and way more. And when you upgrade to a paid plan, you will get everything from free, plus unlimited blogs for teams, unlimited file uploads, 30-day page history, and invite 100 guests, and you have custom websites and custom automations. So the difference between free and plus is pretty big, but you will also get a lot of benefits from upgrading this plan. And now let's take a look at the features and the tools. So Evernote has a web clipper, notebooks, search, and stuff like that. And Obsidian has Markdown, backlinks, graph view, and way more. And Notion has databases, templates, collaboration, and also way more, as you can see in here. And let's make a final verdict between the three. I would say that Evernote is best for simple notes, Obsidian is best for knowledge building, and Notion is the best for an all-in-one workspace needs because it offers the most options. And let me know in the comments down below which of the three you like the most. Anyway, I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.